Ford F-150s are the bread and butter of American trucks. But the cloth seats? They're not designed for coffee spillers, active families, or muddy work boots. Seat covers are the absolute lowest effort upgrade you can make that delivers huge everyday impact. You'd be surprised how fast brand new cloth goes downhill. 3 months in and suddenly your seats look like you've been wrangling cattle in there. People want an interior refresh, but the idea of replacing the actual seat fabric sounds like a job for a professional. I'm Scott in Portland, and I've done this solo. The first step is honestly just shopping. I recommend going with custom-fit covers if you can swing it. Don't cheap out for the weird, universal stretchy ones that remind you of sweatpants from middle school. You want something that doesn't bunch up or slide every time you sit down. Pro tip, measure your cab style before buying. There's Super Crew, Super Cab, Regular Cab. Ford has more seat variations than Starbucks has coffee orders. Get the model number and double check. 30% of people get the wrong covers their first try. When your covers arrive, do an inventory. You'll usually get enough little pieces to wallpaper a tiny bathroom. Lay everything out and check instructions. The most common pain point is mismatched headrest and armrest covers, so match them before you start. Start from the rear seats, not the front. Why? Back seats are almost always simpler, and learning there lets you get a feel for the straps and fasteners. Plus, nobody's watching or waiting for you to finish back there. Remove the headrests. Nearly every F-150 lets you yank them out with a little tab. If you try to work around the headrests, you'll get all the way done and realize you've trapped yourself in a cloth puzzle with no way out. Next, slip the main cover over the seat back. You'll wonder if it's too tight. It should feel like wrestling a large dog into a sweater. Smooth the fabric as you go, which prevents those embarrassing air pockets and creases. Seat base covers are almost always secured underneath. Recline the seat and use your flashlight. Ford likes to hide metal seat rails and wiring harnesses right where you'd want to route your straps. Do not snag a cable. You could set off your airbags. No joke. Now thread the straps and buckles through the gap between the seat back and base. Sometimes you'll need a ruler or spatula to push it through. Everyone, and I mean everyone, winds up poking around blindly and then erupting in victory when the buckle pops through. Before you tighten, double-check alignment. Half of all covers end up twisted and lopsided the first time. Small changes before tensioning save you 70% of the total time you'd spend redoing it. You want everything perfectly lined up with seams matching the seat. Finally, reattach the headrests and check all buckles. Sit in each seat and move around like you're driving or riding shotgun. This is the secret test that reveals if there's too much slack or weird bunched-up sections. Adjust as needed for a truly custom look. There you go. A full F-150 seat cover replacement in one afternoon with zero need for a mechanic and almost no risk of regret. It's a game changer. You'll be thankful every coffee, kid, and workday from here on out.